Yes, good morning, students. Today we shall study about the various functions of the management. Basically, we are having five important functions of management. They are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, then controlling. These are the certain important functions of the management. Let us study about one by one. First one is planning. Okay, students, as you people are aware that planning is nothing but deciding in advance about certain future course of action. Planning is always necessary for a better future. Let me take an example that here we are having one company which is planning to produce 1000 umbrellas, that is within 4 months, or it may be by 1st June, or it may be rainy season. It means this particular company has planned to produce 1000 umbrellas by 1st June. This is one of the important function of the management, that this company has planned to produce one particular product. This is enough. Company has planned to produce product. Then let me go for second important function of the management, that is organizing. Organizing is nothing but assembling the things or keeping the product in a chronological order or way. Again, let me explain with the same example. After planning to produce 1000 umbrellas, company performed the function of organizing. Here, the company is performing the organizing function in order to produce 1000 umbrellas. For this company has organized or arranged certain raw materials, that may be plastic or cloth, etc., which is required to produce a particular umbrellas. This is nothing but this function stresses on organizing or arranging the raw materials which is required to produce the product. Here it means that the company has planned to produce the umbrellas, and again it has organized various raw materials which is required to produce 1000 umbrellas. So this is the two important functions of the management, that is planning and organizing. Then let me explain with the third important functions of the management, that is staffing. Staffing is nothing but appointing and posting the particular employees in a proper department. Here it means that staffing is nothing but appointing the required employees and posting them to a particular department. Here let me explain with the same example. Here the company has planned and organized to produce 1000 umbrellas. So in order to produce this particular 1000 umbrellas, it has to perform the function of staffing. It means appointing how many workers in order to produce 1000 umbrellas. Obviously, in order to produce 1000 umbrellas, we require the workers in a large number. Under this function, the company performs the function of staffing by employing the required employees in required quantities as per the qualification. After appointing particular employees, such workers should be posted to various departments. Usually, a company or a company producing umbrella will be having different departments like stitching department, packing department, then again painting department. Like this, as per the qualification, it has to appoint the workers, and then it should be posted to different particular department like stitching department. The workers, those who are well versed in stitching activities, they should be posted to stitching department, and the workers, those who are well versed in packing department, they should be posted to particular department. This is the function of staffing. The next, fourth important function of the management is direction or directing. Directing is nothing but providing a necessary instructions or directions to various workers to perform a particular job. Obviously, in order to perform any of the job, direction is must and should. Let me take an example. Here the company has to provide necessary directions to the workers of stitching department and the workers of packing department, that is how to stitch the umbrella. or how to stitch the umbrellas which is already stitched, and it should be properly packed, and then next it should be sent for selling activities. All these activities require a proper direction. The next, last but not the least, function of the management is that is controlling. Controlling involves controlling activities and daily supervision to produce 1,000 umbrellas with a proper time framework. It means controlling is nothing but they should supervise the activities of the workers, whether they are producing the umbrellas in a proper way or not. If there is any deviations in the work, it should be properly controlled in the company. So like this, all the important functions of the management works in a chronological orders in order to produce any of the product. Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, then controlling. Okay, thank you.